Hello, fellow educators. As a virtual math teacher for the third, fourth, and fifth grade, I know firsthand how overwhelming it can be to find effective and engaging instructional materials. However, eSingapore Math has been a game changer in my online classroom. I chose eSingapore Math because I was looking for a program that would provide my students with a deep conceptual understanding of mathematics, which is crucial for their long-term success. The Singapore Math approach, with its emphasis on problem solving, real-world applications, and a solid foundation in number sense, was exactly what I needed. The program offers several impactful features. The instructional videos are clear, concise, and easy for students to follow. Students eagerly anticipate the interactive game and reward center, and I've noticed significant improvements in their fluency and accuracy as a result. Since implementing and assigning lessons in eSingapore Math, my students have also shown a remarkable progress on their state assessments. The program not only benefits teachers, but also empowers parents with informative insights into their child's progress through easy to read and understand reports and accessible resources to students learning at home. Overall, eSingapore Math has been an invaluable asset in my classroom, and I highly recommend it to anyone seeking a comprehensive, adaptive, and exciting math program.